Falkland Islands was 7,760 miles round trip, the longest bombing raid in history at the time, and it involved 11 Victors refueling, and 18 air-to-air refuelings had to take place to enable this aircraft to get from Ascension down to the Falkland Islands and back again. It was a very close thing. Undercarriage retracting back. Not only has it been an amazing engineering project to get this aeroplane back in the air, it's also been an amazing fundraising project. It still costs £2 million a year to run. That's £38,500 a week, give or take. So, altogether, the Vulcan to the Sky Trust has done some absolutely amazing things. I was talking about the engineering. Somebody who isn't on board is Taft Stone, the crew chief and the chief engineer. He always says, 558 is my baby. I always refer to the aeroplane as she. People tell me I shouldn't, but Taft says she's high maintenance.